News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said India and Canada bilateral relations are very important and both nations have to work together to strengthen democracy as well as humanity. In his remarks during bilateral meeting with Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Kananaskis, Mr. Modi said many Canadian companies have investments in India and vice versa. He said he looks forward to taking India-Canada relations forward. In a social media post, Mr. Modi said that India and Canada are connected by a strong belief in democracy, freedom and rule of law. He added that areas like trade, energy, space, clean energy, critical minerals, and fertilizers offer immense potential for bilateral cooperation. In his remarks, Mr. Carney said that India's regular participation in G7 summit is testament to the importance of India and Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Modi also held a series of bilateral meetings with leaders of Germany, France, Mexico, and South Korea among others. Prime Minister Modi and German Chancellor Friedrich Merz discussed ways to strengthen India-Germany bilateral cooperation in key areas. These areas include trade and investment, defense and security, green sustainable development partnership, green energy, technology, innovation, education and mobility. The Prime Minister thanked Chancellor Merz for Germany's strong solidarity and support to India in the fight against terrorism. In a social media post, Mr. Modi said they also had discussions on deepening defense and security linkages. He said both nations will keep working together in areas like counter-terrorism and striking down on terror financing. Mr. Modi also met with President of Mexico, Claudia Sheinbaum Pardo, on the sidelines of the summit. This was the first meeting between them. The Prime Minister thanked her for the support extended by Mexico in India's fight against terrorism. Highlighting the historical bonds of friendship between India and Mexico, the two leaders agreed to work towards further expanding ties in the areas of trade, investment, startups, innovation, science and technology and automotive sector, and to promote people-to-people exchanges. The growing opportunities in the pharmaceutical, agricultural and holistic health sectors figured prominently in the discussions. Prime Minister Modi underlined that the two countries should explore collaboration in the fields of semiconductors, AI, quantum and critical minerals. The leaders also exchanged views on pressing global and regional issues and the priorities of the Global South. The Prime Minister also held a bilateral meeting with South Korean President Lee Jae-myung. They reaffirmed their commitment to deepening India-South Korea special strategic partnership by exploring new avenues for cooperation through partnerships in areas of trade and economy, critical and emerging technologies, green hydrogen, shipbuilding, and culture among others. Mr. Modi also had a pull-aside meeting with French President Emmanuel Macron. They exchanged perspectives on a wide range of issues. In a social media post, Mr. Modi said India and France will keep working closely for the betterment of the planet. Following conversation with UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer, Mr. Modi said in a social media post that India and UK ties are getting stronger, which is reflected in the ground covered in areas like trade and commerce. He asserted that India and UK will keep working together to add even more momentum to this friendship. Mr. Modi said he had insightful deliberations with Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba. He added that India and Japan remain committed to further deepening bilateral ties across various sectors. Prime Minister Modi also interacted with President of South Africa Cyril Ramaphosa, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, and Brazilian President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva on the sidelines of the G7 Outreach Summit.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.